Hey guys, it's Steph with Steph's Adventures in Fab Finds. And we have got an unboxing to do today. I'm going to grab my handbag of the day and we will be on our way. The handbag of the day is the sport sack from Louis Vuitton. And absolutely love this bag. I've got everything but the kitchen sink in it, and we'll go over that in just a few minutes. But let's get to the unboxing. I'm Steph. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I do an unboxing from time to time, and today is a piece from 24s.com, which is owned by LVMH, who owns Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton and Hennessy combined to join form a parent company, which is LVMH. So I love me some 24s.com. And they had a great deal on this piece, and God knows everybody else has already gotten this bag. So there are probably a lot of videos out on this size. Did not see many in this color. But this was the color that just spoke to me. I think the purple is beautiful, and the lavender and the pink. The pink was sold out. The one I had wanted and thought that I was going to get was the one in the argan oil. Gorgeous. But I saw a wear review on that bag. Was not extremely happy about how that bag actually wears. Now, the good thing about that bag is it is in a colorway that you can buff it up and polish it and all that good stuff. Have to have my coffee. Beautiful Parisian packaging. They did do a pop-up, and I don't know where our pop-ups went, but oh, how beautiful. Just love, love, love. Gorgeous. This is my little note to myself. Love always me. And if y'all notice, it says here, Madame Fabulous Diva. Oh, I like that they started doing it with a sticker rather than actually print on there. So let's pull our gift bag out. And merci from the bottom of our hearts. Merci. So, and our import and return slips are in the box as well. Let's get that out of the way. And let's get her out of the bag. So, this is evidently our dust bag. This is the first Marc Jacobs tote that I purchased. Oh yes, beautiful, 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 beautiful color. Oh yes. And oh yeah, just gorgeous. This is Marc Button Jacobs, the tote bag in the red or the burgundy.